In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple pictures to Instagram Story. So for us to get this done, what we are going to do is just basically take a picture. So I'm going to tap this one right here. After doing so, we're going to go ahead and click the picture icon right here, this one. After tapping on it, what we are going to do is tap story. After that, we're just going to go ahead and take a picture. So this is just random picture here. Basically, any picture could be okay. All right, there goes our picture. We're going to go ahead and click this three dots here at the top, and then we're going to choose draw. Now, here in the drawing, what we are going to do is basically look for, say for example, color. Okay, I'm going to try this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that one. After which, I'm just going to go ahead and basically long press on any of this picture here. Say for example, this one, just like so. As you can see, it turns into pink. After which, we can go ahead and click this one right here. And then we're going to go ahead and click this, the stickers, in order for us to search for photo. So I'm going to tap the photo, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose an image to upload. So I'm going to try this one right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and resize it. I'm going to go ahead and try to put it wherever I want, say for example there. And then we're going to go ahead and click that one more time, click photo, and then we're going to go ahead and try this one right here. All right, there you go. So I'm going to put it down here just like so. And yep, after doing so, you can go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to start uploading this one. Click done. And you can see that it is being uploaded. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.